Raz.
I'm sore.
I'm Nilden.
So we're going to talk about the boys being in peril.
Building fall?
Thank you,
I
sir.
get it.
So what happened?
Going in turn one on the first lap.
Like round 3 of the first lap.
Round 3 of the first lap of the main event last night. The car made an aggressive move and got into the back of another car, and I ended up just bounced off of him, and I got bounced into, and I went into the wall head on, wide open throttle.
I meant about the boys.
Oh, see,
He's a little concussed.
in race cars we have a 5-point harness, and one of them goes into a very interesting place on, when I hit the wall, my right boy moved somehow underneath the strap, and it was bad. It hurt.
He was saying, "Let me out! Let me out! Let me out!"
Yeah, there's some interesting conversations in the car with the fire crew. They're all like, "You okay? You okay?" And I'm like, "My balls hurt."
So this is just a quickie. We're going to have another video showing what happened and the aftermath. So stay tuned for that one. Phil's okay. The car is not. The car is really bad.
Barono's got a heck of a left hook.
Yep.
So hope you enjoy this short little video, and
Stay tuned for more.
stay tuned for more. Like, share, subscribe, comment.
Watch out for the fifth strap.
We should make a t-shirt.
Wait, teacher, fish trap pain.
Watch out for the fifth strap.
Yeah.
So I'm Raz.
I'm sore.
I'm Dylan.
This is Metal Manglers. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your support.
Thank you guys. Bye.